How you doing?
Hey, what's going on?
Snagging a few?
I just got here. So
Yeah.
How about you guys?
They're pretty finicky. I think these pools have been hit
easy.
so many times, you know.
Yeah,
I think
oh,
that
yeah.
They're just tough to catch now.
Yeah, I was down here the other night and it was just jammed with like teenage kids and fishing poles. So
Yeah, and they leave all their trash.
yeah, exactly.
We got a 3-pounder out of here the other night.
Did you? Yeah, there's a couple of them swimming around.
Big beast. Yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yep. Hey, Ricky, I just lost my crawfish. I slipped.
Damn it, I just screwed that up. Might have just chased them all off for good now. God dang it, dude. What the hell was wrong with the line? His buddy just fell right in the creek. Yep.
How far in?
Oh, he's all the way in.
Shoulder?
He went face first into the creek bed. Too many factors of why you don't catch fish when you fish around people is because of the people. But desperate times call for desperate measures, I guess. We'll try to be more patient. Oh, almost. Got him. Oh, he spat it out. Son of a... 2 almost fish today. It's not the worst thing in the world letting the hippies entertain me with their music. This is gonna be good. I don't even have to put a soundtrack on my video. Hope y'all like reggae. Eat it, eat it. He's on it, he's on it. If it was in his mouth, he just wouldn't take it. I hate it when they frickin' just sit there and play with them. And I am so new to freshwater bass and whatever, bluegill and crappie fishing. This is not something that I'm used to, but rather something I resorted to with this ridiculous quarantine going on right now. I get it. I do, I get it. You know, at first you gotta make sure that everyone's not gonna, there we go. Oh, you almost got it. First you gotta make sure everybody's not gonna die. But that's glaringly apparent. So they need to open everything. Oh, I don't know if you saw that bass over there. Just right in front of him. But they need to open everything up. This is just ridiculous. The hippies and their music basically, I think, ruined it down there. The fish don't want to have anything to do with us, so. So many teenagers down here. Do me a favor, if you're a teenager and you're watching this, don't be some dumbass who comes down to a little creek like this and play loud music and be obnoxious as hell. I mean, if you want to get stoned, whatever, do your thing, you know, to each their own. I get it. Legalize marijuana, right on. But don't come down here and freaking ruin it for everybody else. You know? That's why God made freaking headphones. Some action on that. A little bit of that, jigging it. Just got 4-pound test on my crappy little Shimano rod and reel that I've had forever and just won't die. Oh, I think I just jacked that up. Get one on film, but either way, nice pretty little, was that a bluegill, sunfish, something like that? Bluegill, right on. Good, feisty little guy. Bass and bluegill in this creek. It's right where I want it. There's another one. There we go. I gotta tighten my drag. There we go. Booyah. There we go. Yeah, here's a nice one. Good stuff.